in this video, I will show you how to pay your Sam's Club credit card or Sam's Club Mastercard bill online. So simply open up your Sam's Club app, or you could simply open up Chrome or any web browser. In the search bar, search for Sam's Club credit card, then click on the URL. Here, click on this 3 lines menu bar in the top left corner. From here, sign in to your account. Once you sign in, you will get to your home page. From your home page, click on this 3 lines menu bar again. Here you will find Manage Your Credit Account. Simply click on it. After that, navigate to Payment tab. From there, click on Make a Payment and here enter your banking and payment details. Then simply click on Submit. If you think this video was helpful, please like, share, subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.